Here with my honey, we are going to my friend's first wedding anniversary, and that's why I have these nails. So we're gonna be having some fun. It's a pool party, so let's have some fun. I'll show you more guys later. Okay guys, let's get these nails started because we have a party to go to. The nail tips I'm using from Model Ones, they are more on the natural look, so they're gonna be fitting better on natural nails. They don't have a huge apex area, and that's why I'm using them for press-on nails. I'm using as well gel polish from Model Ones, and I'm gonna be curing each layer for about a minute. The second layer right now, and as you can see now it shows the true color of this beautiful pink. So I'm gonna finish doing this and I'm gonna start the design right away. I've been wanting to do this beautiful butterfly design for a while now, and finally here I am doing it. For this design I'm gonna be using black gel polish, white gel polish, and as well I'm gonna be using a beautiful glitter from Amelie. So I'm creating a frame around the whole nail, and then I'm gonna go from there. The goal is to create the look very similar to a butterfly wing, and it's gonna be more like the wings of a monarch if I remember right. And this has been already trending all over the internet, but I didn't have the time, or I don't know, I just didn't do this design until today. It wasn't as easy as I expected to do this design. I had to correct these lines a few times just to get the look that I wanted. I really didn't want to rush it. I wanted to look a certain way, and at the end I was happy with it actually. I was getting compliments about how beautiful the nails came out, so I was happy. That made my day. I'm just completing the actual frame of the design, which is with the black gel polish. And then next I'm gonna add the pink glitter. This is gonna make it look so much cuter than just like a plain pink. I've seen some other people adding as well some of the chrome powder, which looks very nice as well. But this way that I did it today, it came out really nice to me. At least I like it. I hope you like it too. And if you're trying to do this design, you can see the way I did it here. So I hope this helped you as well. So I'm gonna be curing this glitter gel polish for a minute. Next, I'm just gonna add some dots with a very fine dotting tool, and I'm gonna be doing this randomly, so there is not like a specific way to create this design. Just use your imagination and make it look the way you like it. If you know when you are doing something, does it feel right or does it feel wrong the way you are designing the nails, you know. At least I'm that way. If I feel like the design is not coming out the way I want it, I usually just wipe it off all with alcohol and start all over again, because it's just a feeling that I get when I'm creating nail art. And for the final touch, I'm gonna be using this top coat that I purchased on Amazon. It's super shiny, and I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. And these are the results. The nails came out really pretty. I'm very happy with them. I applied them with Model 1's nail glue. The trick is not to apply too much glue, because you don't want glue to come out of the nails and then ruin the design, so you have to be careful when you're applying press-on nails. As well, I dehydrated my nails with acetone just to make sure that the glue adheres better. But the final result is really cute. I was very happy with it. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay until the end, because I'm gonna be showing some footage from the party that I went to with my boyfriend. And I'll see you in the next video.